here we go, indefinite integrals. So we'll just run down the list here. You can speed through to catch up to ones you want to see, or just go step by step. So I would rewrite this because this is like a polynomial, or monomial actually, 4t to the negative second dt, which is just 4 times t to the negative 1 over negative 1 plus a constant. So if I rewrite it, it's negative 4 over t plus constant, 15. The integral of cosine theta d theta is, we talked about this in class, sine of theta plus c. How do you remember the negative? Well, more often than not, I just think, what's a derivative of sine? Cosine, so I'm good. 17. Integral of x plus, and I know this is a power of x, it's actually x to the negative 1/2. And the sooner you can recognize those things, then these problems become a lot easier. So that becomes x squared over 2 plus x to the 1/2 over 1/2 plus a constant, and if I simplify it becomes 1/2 x squared plus 2x to the 1/2, which is the square root of x. Okay. Alright, number 19. Integral of 3 cosine of t plus 3t to the 1/2 dt. It's going to be 3 sine of t, derivative sine is cosine, plus 3t to the 3/2 divided by 3/2 plus a constant. Excuse me, and that just becomes 2/3, times 3t to the 3/2 plus a constant, and so those 3's cancel. And we're left with 2t to the 3/2. Alright, 23, or 21 I guess it is. 1 over cosine squared x dx. The challenge here is recognizing that this is just the secant squared of x. And we know what the integral of secant squared of x. It's tangent of x, because the derivative tangent is secant squared plus a constant. 23. That's the integral of x plus 1 plus 1 over x dx, which is x squared over 2 plus x plus natural log absolute value of x plus a constant. Alright, so the derivative of natural log is 1 over x. So on these guys, if you look at them and they aren't ones you can do directly, then start thinking algebraically, can I do anything simple to get to the answer, or to get to something that you can integrate. And last one on this page, 24, 5e to the z dz, which is 5 times the integral of e to the z. It's just e to the z plus a constant. Alright, there we go on that one.